Well guys, what the hell did I do here? 2006 Ford Freestyle Copart. Got it for like 150, 200 bucks, something around there. Not bad. A little worse than I thought. Pretty crunched over here. Pretty bad. Hope this is metal, not aluminum. If it's aluminum, I'm fricked. I didn't think that but pushed in too good, but yeah, I can get in there and do my magic right here. This door, that door. Wow, they love stickers. Whoa. Welcome back to another Bobby's Backyard. As you saw in the intro, 2006 Ford Freestyle. Got pretty crunched, as you could tell. I mocked everything back up. I had everything, all the parts. The only thing I didn't put was that flare on that side, but I ended up putting the rear door on. So I got that on and plugged in. So yeah, let's take a look at the engine. It's got the 3-liter Duratec. Last records show 191,000, but that was a year ago, so maybe 201,000. We'll see. But yeah, we'll start it up, listen to it. Like I said, this side is clean. They sure did like their stickers. It says biohazard, but I haven't found anything. What else? Yeah, like I said, the driver's side super clean. Let's open up the back. They like their stizzy. And also back here again, Cali banger. And this is the all-wheel drive limited. See, there's the flare. A little bit of junk back here, but I'll clean it up. I'm gonna throw away that car seat. That is no good. That's probably why they left it in here after a car accident. That is done. Oh, more stickers. I just saw that. Paw Patrol. Dang, my kid's gonna love this car. DVD, Paw Patrol. Sheesh. I might keep this just to go back and forth to work. But check out this gap. I'm a little worried, but it might go away. See how wide it is down here and tight up here? I wonder if this thing is bananas as hard as it got hit on there, because it did move the B pillar. I'm gonna have to get a new B pillar. But yeah, I don't know, man. Hopefully when I pull that B pillar back out, that again, sorry, that gap should go away. I'm hoping, unless that's the way it was. Like I said, I didn't see it before the accident, so let's see. It's all leather, like I said. Filthy as crap. I mean filthy. I don't know, man. I don't know, like I said, I don't know how people can get this dirty. Even the baby seat or car seat's dirty. Mine's about 2.5 years old and it's pretty damn clean. I don't know, whatever. I'm gonna throw that away. There's the other fender flare. There's the DVD. Like I said, they like their stickers. Yep. So yeah, let me clean this out. We'll come back, we'll put up all the seats, see what it looks like, see if the DVD player works. They have a DVD in here. I wonder if that DVD is any good. Even came with a remote, man. That's rare. Got miscellaneous bolts there, miscellaneous lights. So I got pretty much everything for the car. That's good. I like that. Yeah, so I don't have to get door panels or anything. This door panel actually got knocked out by the accident, but other than that, this thing is clean. The passenger window does not roll back up because of the crash also. And again, I swear, people, God, at least they used duct tape and didn't use like other stuff, silicone and all that other stuff. Again, 90% of the time why sunroofs leak are the drains. So I'm gonna take this later on. I'm gonna take off the duct tape, open up the sunroof, see if See if anything comes of it, and I'm pretty sure I'll see some clogged drains. But yeah, this is gonna be fun to clean, man. Check this. I don't know. At least the steering wheel's not disgusting. As usual, faded buttons and stuff. Oh, I didn't even know this had this. Okay. Oh man, that's broke. Alright, whatever. But yeah, the seats. At least I have that reconditioning kit. Simple. This interior is gonna come out sweet. That's if I can fix that over there. Let's give her a start. Like I said, I can't get it to miles. No lights on the dash, no airbag light, no airbags went off. Keeps on saying, yeah, see, lift gate ajar, low fuel and all that, but it won't go to miles. Oh, here we go. Info. Closed door to reset. Oh man, what? Let's see. Info. I'm hitting info. Come on, info. It says closed door to reset. Dang it. Whoops. Turn off that radio. Sorry. But yeah, sounds good. Like I said, no lights on the dash, just a seatbelt light. The Carfax on it was really good. They took care of it. Looks like it's got a brand newish water pump. A little bit of oil there, but I'll steam it and see what's up. There's some rigging up right there that I gotta take care of. But it's got good coolant. It's almost out of gas. I can hear it stumbling a little. It has been sitting for a while, as you can see. Redo the headlights. This might be a good little car for somebody, man. Alright. Yeah, it's a slight little miss. Alright, let me get that car seat out, clean it up a little bit. We'll be right back. Alright guys, back at it again with the Ford Freestyle. I'm right outside LKQ, so you know what that means. I am not going to rebuild this car. This car is too messed up. I actually put it together, put some gas in it, drove it around. It misfires. It does not run good. It doesn't. Sorry, a lot of trash around here, trash trucks and stuff. The transmission doesn't shift right. Like I said, it misfires. Every mount, engine mount, transmission mount is gone. So whenever you shift it, it clunks metal to metal. What else? Just a whole bunch of things wrong with it. It's not worth fixing. I'm gonna get more money giving it to them than if I would fix it. So yeah, it's going to LKQ, guys. I'm not going to finish this build, so this is going to end this video and for the Ford Freestyle. See you guys later.
I need to get rid of that.
Oh, you need to get rid of that, huh?
Yes.
Oh, okay. How you going to get rid of it?
Yes.
How?
See?
Oh, I'm glad I don't need that door. Other people would be like, no. Yeah, have at it, boy.